Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this template 1 IPS touchscreen spatial from Kia Real Flow 2017 to 2018 years. This okay, let me do unbox review. You can check head unit with good condition. This is the spatial head unit. Okay, let me introduce the honey set first. Okay. You can check this spatial Hyundai Kia power cable. You can check this. Okay, there is USB cable. Okay, this AUX. Okay. This is install parts. Install parts left and right. Left and right. Okay, you can check. And the screw. Okay. And it comes with GPS antenna. This is GPS antenna. External microphone. And 2 USB cable. This 2 USB cable. External microphone. Okay. It will come with this camera. This camera input. Okay. This radio antenna. Okay. And original USB. This is the original USB. There is 4 pin. Okay. This is AUX cable. This is video input. Video input. And AUX input left and right. This connects back with head unit. Okay, this is audio cable. And this video out 1 and the video out 2. This subwoofer. Okay, this is AUX front and rear, left and right. AUX out. Okay, this audio cable. Okay. Okay, this is drum agent, and this is head unit. Okay, you can check. Okay, this SD card slot, this microphone, this reset hole, and this button, home radio, the volume button, and you can check back. On the sides. Okay. This is the header unit back. Okay, you can check. There are fuse. This power cable, this GPS antenna, this Wi-Fi, those is connector, and this radio port. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Then header unit will be started. Okay. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Please take out this screen protector before using. Our header unit already built this screen protector on the screen. Okay. Very fast response. Let me check the settings. This brightness you can change in here. Okay. It's built in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi. System, you can change the language. All language already built in. But motion, you can check model is PX5 Octa core, rack chip. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. It's built in Google Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store and built in Google Maps. It supports Mirrorlink. Mirrorlink supports Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.